Every trader says they use a stop loss, but when the moment comes, most traders move it. And that single decision has destroyed more accounts than bad strategies ever will. Moving your stop loss is not a technical mistake. It's a psychological one. You entered the trade with a plan. Entry, stop loss, take profit. But when price moves against you, your mind starts negotiating.
Maybe the market will come back. Maybe I just need to give it more space. Maybe the stop loss was too tight.
And slowly, you stop trading your system. You start trading your emotions. Professional traders accept losses quickly. Amateur traders try to prove they were right.
Because the ego says, if I close this trade, I admit I was wrong.
But the market doesn't care about your ego. The market only respects discipline. The truth is brutal. A small loss is controlled. A moved stop loss becomes a disaster. Stop loss is not there to protect your trade. Stop loss is there to protect you. It protects your capital, your discipline, your emotional control, your ability to trade tomorrow. Without it, trading becomes gambling. Professionals follow one simple rule. Once the trade is placed, the stop loss is sacred. No moving it, no adjusting it emotionally, no hoping. If the stop hits, the trade was wrong, and that's okay, because trading is a probability game. Most traders fail here, not because they don't know the rule, but because they cannot control the urge to interfere. The hardest skill in trading is not analysis. It's doing nothing, watching the trade play out, and accepting whatever happens. Your strategy may already work, but your psychology sabotages it. If you keep moving your stop loss, you are not trading. You are negotiating with fear. And fear always loses to the market. Trading success doesn't come from perfect predictions. It comes from perfect discipline. Respect your stop loss. Respect your system. Respect the process. And the market will eventually respect you. If you want the tools and structure I personally use for trading discipline, check the link in the description. Like the video, share it with another trader, and subscribe. Because in part 6, we expose the most dangerous habit traders don't even realize they have.